Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how to change the battery to the Tesla key fob. This is the key fob from my Tesla Model S, but it's the same thing apply for Model X and also for different type of key Model S, older or newer. They are kind of the same style. So it's very simple, but I know there are many people that have this question, and also some people ask me, so I want to show you. First of all, of course, you need the new battery, which I have here, and I really recommend you to buy a battery which is better quality. So I wouldn't recommend you to buy a battery that you should change very fast. So I definitely recommend you to buy a high quality battery because it will last longer, so you don't have to worry all the time to change it. So, and another thing you need a screwdriver, or at least you need some metal which is very tiny in the end, or maybe a plastic which is very tiny in the head. So next thing what you will have to do, this is the key, by the way, from Model S. This is the way it looks. And here on the back end, you see, you can also basically open this back end, but you don't have to open the back end. You have to open the front end, the part with the writing. So all you have to do is just take the screwdriver or whatever you have. Also, if you have nails, you can basically do that. If you put your nails inside here and then you pull it quite hard. I don't have nails and I don't want to break it, but what you have to do is just start from here, and then from here you just pull it up. So it's very simple, just like that. I really recommend you, if you have a plastic, to use a plastic tool, because in this way you cannot scratch it. I just show you right now because yeah, you have to see that. The thing is that even though you open this with your nail, the next part here, when you have to open and take out the battery, you really need something a little bit tinier and some head to be a little bit more, yeah, small and quite stronger, because with the nail you cannot take out the battery from here, and you have to take it from here, from the front end. You see it has two kind of clips here, so between those two clips you have to pull in some kind of metal part, and then you put your finger over the battery just like that to hold it, because after you take it out it will kind of jump out. If you don't have the finger here, the battery will kind of jump a little bit farther away. So this is the battery, by the way. This is the way it looks. It's basically doesn't have anything right on it on the front end. This one has something, some sticker, but if you look at the back of the battery, right, you can see that it's basically the same, 2032. You see that? But they are basically two different companies which make those batteries. But in general, yeah, this is the way it looks. So then what you have to do, take the new one, and then you put it in on this side, just like that. And then the same as you do before, from here you take it out, you just press it gently inside. And right now the battery is basically inside. You check also those plastic clips around here to be tight. And then you take this one, and what you will have to do, you just first put it inside here, just like that. You make sure it's here in the back, and then the front end, you see that? You just try to push it over it, just like that, until it's clipping, and then that's it. So this is how easy it is to change it, but keep in mind, you cannot do it with your nails. You can do it with your nail, maybe if you have a big nail, maybe you can do. But the thing is that when you want to change also the battery, when you want to take it out, then it's a little bit complicated. But yeah, you basically need a plastic or something really kind of tiny to go inside there, and then just pull it out. So this is how easy you can change the battery.